Hi, everyone makes mistakes and goes through difficult times in their life. But it's not your mistakes or difficulties that define you, but rather what you learn from them that truly matters. But then, how to let go of the past, how to move on, how to put the past behind you. Hi, this is Sharev Sagar. I am a life and happiness coach. Friends, today I am going to talk to you about 4 simple tips that will help you to let go of the past, that will help you to heal your older wounds and move on to a better and brighter future. So, friends, before moving forward, let me tell you how you think about your past can be an excellent teacher and a great source of motivation for learning how to move on. Or it can interfere with your happiness and hold you back from living your best life. So let's dive into the 4 simple tips. Tip number 1, practice forgiveness. Whether it's forgiving yourself for the mistakes you have made or it's forgiving someone who you believe harmed you, then forgiveness is one of the best possible things that you can do to heal yourself from the past. You may have even heard about the saying that holding on to anger and resentment is like you drinking the poison and waiting for the other person to die. It's true, because when you continue to be angry and bitter on something that has happened in the past, the only person you end up hurting is yourself. So, whatever grudges or the disappointments you are holding, I encourage you to let them go. This will help you to feel much better about yourself and about the world around you if you do so. You may even have heard about the saying that holding on to anger and resentment is like you drinking the poison and waiting for other person to die. It's true, because when you continue to being bitter and angry on something that has happened in the past, the only person you end up hurting is you yourself. So if you are holding any grudges or any resentments, I highly encourage you to let them go. It will help you to feel much better about yourself and about the world around you if you do so. So let's move on to our tip number 2, and that is practice gratitude. Take some time every day to feel grateful for everything that is good in your life. I do mean everything. Be grateful for the people who love you and who have helped you, mentored you, and taught you something on your journey through your life. Be grateful for the roof you have over your head. Be grateful for your perfect health, for the opportunities you have been given, for the flowers that are blooming outside your window, for the blue sky over your head, for the things that has made your life much easier and enjoyable, and the people who were involved in making those things happen and bringing them into your world. Friends, the more you cultivate gratitude and appreciate about the things that are good in your life right now and focus on them, the easier it will be for you to forget about the things that have hurt you in the past. And also remember to be grateful for the people who have made your life difficult at times. It's because of them only you have developed these qualities of courage, perseverance, and compassion. And make sure that you develop the daily practice of expressing gratitude, whether it is in your meditation or writing down in a journal, or just simply walking around and appreciating the things that you see for a few minutes in the morning. So let's move to our tip number 3, that is, remember your thoughts determines your reality. So if you want to change any aspect of your life, then make efforts to think better thoughts. Every time you find yourself thinking about something negative that has happened in your past, then consciously transform those negative thoughts into something positive. For example, if you may be thinking that I have spent so many years of my life being betrayed by that person, instead of that, you can replace them by saying, I'm so happy and grateful that now I'm free to find someone who truly appreciates me for the way who I am. Friends, it's not a one-day thing. It requires practice and patience. But the ultimate reward you will get out of it is worth it. And also, With practice, you will be able to identify that negative spiral immediately, and you will be able to consciously shift those negative thoughts into something more positive, which will ultimately help you to shape your reality. Now, let's move to our last and the fourth tip, that is, remember you are amazing. You know, friends, focusing on the failures of your past can be crippling to your self-esteem, your self-confidence, and your happiness. But the opposite also true. If you focus on your past successes, then it will help you in building your self-confidence and your self-esteem. One of the greatest ways to acknowledge your past successes is just to sit down and list down all your past successes that you had in your life. Make a list of hundreds of your past successes that you have achieved till now. Take some time, take few days to accomplish this task. Make sure you make a list of all those things which now you may take for granted. Then may it be learning your second language, may it be learning chess, may it be learning swimming, or learning a new skill in your life, or learning to bake a cake, or getting your first promotion, or learning gardening. Include everything which you feel that those were the successes in all these past years. Once you complete your list, look back over it and remember that if you were able to accomplish all those things in your past, then you are capable to accomplish all those things that you want to accomplish now and in your future. Acknowledge the fact that there are plenty of accomplishments in your past that you can feel good about, and also let that sense of accomplishments raise your self-esteem. So friends, with the help of this tip and by writing down hundreds of your past successes, it will surely give you the sense of feeling that you are an amazing person and capable of doing anything you put your mind to. So friends, just believe that you are an amazing person. So friends, this was all about the 4 simple tips that will help you to let go of your past, let go of your old hurts, and will help you to move on in your life to a better and brighter future. Let me quickly revise. Tip number 1, practice forgiveness. Tip number 2, practice gratitude. Tip number 3, remember that your thoughts shape your reality. Tip number 4, remember that you are amazing. So friends, if you resonate with this video and you truly want to heal your past wounds or let go of your past resentment or anger or the hurt you hold in your heart, then use any of the tips or all of the tips that I have just explained you to make your future a better and brighter one. So see you in my next video. Bye-bye.